Begin by removing the SIM card and placing it somewhere safe. Next, remove the UTP cable from the clip and detach it from its connector. Push the clips inward, then slide the FP100 board upward and lift it out of its frame. Carefully remove the Alfbus connector. To reinstall, attach the Alfbus connector securely. Slide the FP100 board downward and clip it firmly into its frame. Reconnect the UTP cable to its designated connector, and secure the cable back into the clip. Finally, reinsert the previously removed SIM card into its slot.